Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're stopping in for the first time, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And also, I want to thank all of my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your love and support. In today's video, I do have a very special treat for you guys. Our baby daughter has recently purchased a new home, and she is a first-time homeowner. And she was so gracious enough that she actually volunteered for us to come into her home. I did not pressure her in any way. She came to me and said, "Mom, when I get my new house and everything, I definitely want you to decorate it and you can put it on your channel." So, of course, her asking me to decorate my home, I was thrilled. And so we're just going to take a look around at some of the Christmas decor and accents that we've added to her home. Now, just keep in mind, she has not gotten everything exactly like she wants in her home right now because she's over the boxes and the packaging and all of that. But she did want to make her home cozy for the Christmas holiday. So we're going to go in and take a look around. We are going to be using this 6.5-foot flock Christmas tree to set up in her living room. This is the space that I am going to be using to set up the tree here. So now I am just fluffing out every single branch on this tree. So now we have completely fluffed out this entire tree from top to bottom. Every branch has been touched. The lights are all working. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding some ribbon. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. So let's get This is the ribbon that my daughter has chosen to decorate her tree. We purchased this ribbon from Hobby Lobby, so we're going to go ahead and install this onto the tree. And wire ribbon, my friend, is your friend in decorating. So right here, I'm just ducktailing the ends of this ribbon before I install it on the tree. And I'm showing my daughter how to lace this ribbon onto the tree, but I don't think she was really paying attention. She was just happy that I was doing it. You know how that goes. But to my surprise, she was actually paying attention because she created a little Charlie Brown tree, and she created the same effect with some ribbon to coordinate with this tree. I don't think I got a clip of that, but I thought it was so adorable. So here I'm just showing her how to run the ribbon all the way down to the very edge of the tree and ducktail the very end of the tree. And this is how the ribbon looks, cascading down on this side of the tree. So now all the ribbon has been added to this tree, and we're going to start adding ornaments. So now we have added the flock garland onto her mantle. I am going to be adding some ribbon to mimic the same ribbon in the Christmas tree. So now I have added in the same ribbon that we used on the Christmas tree onto the flock garland onto her mantle. Now this white Keurig was a housewarming gift from one of her friends, so I decided to create a hot cocoa bar station in her home.
Hi guys, welcome to my home. Come on in.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year,
this completes my video for today, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I had a wonderful, wonderful time. It was so much fun helping my daughter getting her home ready for the Christmas season, and actually her home was decorated long before mine was. But she said that she loved everything and that the hot cocoa bar station was a hit in her family, and so that makes me very, very happy. So I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and a safe holiday season, and I will see you in the next video. Happy decorating! Bye-bye!